this scaffolding invades the main altar of St. Peter's Basilica. It's part of the restoration work on Bernini's bronze Baldachin, a monument whose last restoration was in 1758. The finished work will be unveiled on October the 27th. The Vatican initiated this restoration in preparation for the Jubilee of Hope, which will see millions of pilgrims from around the world gathering in the Eternal City. The restoration not only restores the Baldachin's brilliance, but also aims to captivate those who will view it.
So
that the pilgrims arriving for the Jubilee can enjoy this explosion of color, this explosion of perfection, and the joy that the monuments truly convey.
Cardinal Mauro Gambetti, responsible for coordinating the works in the Basilica, hopes that this pilgrimage year will promote peace in various regions of the world.
The hope is that something happens during the Jubilee that touches hearts and opens a vision, a horizon that can redirect the course of humanity in a different direction.
The structure weighs more than 60 tons and stands as tall as a nearly 30-meter-high building. The restoration was made possible thanks to the Knights of Columbus, who contributed more than $750,000 to the project. One of the restorers explained that the primary change is the, quote, acquisition of light, a cleaning process that rediscovered the gold leaf covering the Baldachin's bronze structure. Dust, cleaning materials, and humidity had created a layer over the gold, dulling its shine. The restoration focused on bringing this material back to the surface. This work is of great importance to the Basilica, as the Baldachin occupies a central place for Christians.
The place is not by chance. The place is absolutely crucial. We are in the middle of the zenith, the vertical line that unified the top of the dome and the tomb of Peter. So we are exactly on the same vertical line where they were absolutely conscious about the symbolic function of this position.
The architects of this work, Bernini and Borromini, had to calculate how to support the weight of the bronze structure, as underneath lies a void, the crypt of the Basilica, where the remains of almost 150 pontiffs are found.